C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yeah, 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 baby. All right. Hey, everyone. How you doing? Welcome back to the show. Welcome back. Oh, there goes the car. The car. Hello, everyone. My name is Emily Aubrey. And this over here, this is Michael Lyons, the world's worst ventriloquist. Michael, say hello to the nice people. BOOZHOO. BOOZHOO. In Ojibwe, our word of the day, BOOZHOO. Say hello. Our phrase of the day. Say hello. Hello, everyone. How you doing? Welcome to the show. And today, I just feel like singing. Sing Nagamun. Let's sing Nagamunda. Let's sing Nagamunda. No, let's not sing. Let's talk. How you guys doing? Are you feeling so da da do 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 do? And I feel her from across the room. So it's Saturday night, and I don't know. I'm getting to that age where it doesn't mean anything. Yeah, I know what you mean. You know, like, oh, Saturday night. Oh, I guess I'll go. Well, let's dress up and go out and do something. What? Why? Because it's Saturday? Don't have any money to do anything during the week. Why would we have money to do stuff? And why would I want to spend money? What are you going to do? Go see a movie? I hate movies. Yeah, I do too. I'm one of those people who hates movies. Because every time for the last, 20 years, if I ever went to a movie, I was like, the predominant thing we would talk about after the movie would be like, oh, that was stupid, you know? And then complain about like how expensive the candy was and everything. Yeah, and they're super long. Yeah, I mean, why do they have to make movies 3 hours long? I don't know. I don't have the attention span to sit through a Marvel movie. Oh, okay. Anyway. So yeah, I don't like... Oh, you know what else I think is overrated? What's that? Reading. Reading? We work in a library. Yeah, I know. But, everyone acts like, oh, if you read books, you become smart. It's like, really? Why? Because you acted in this, you participated in this art form of translating letters into words and imagining a story that somebody wrote. And so what? I learned so much. Because, I mean, it'd be one thing if you were reading something worthwhile, but, you know, I mean, who cares? Oh, I read 27 Stephen King novels. I must be smart now. You know? Yeah. So there you have it, kids. Don't read. It's overrated. It's overrated. And to learn more about not reading, come to your local library where Michael and I work. Yeah. So, is this what the show's I would be king. You will be my queen. 'Cause we're lovers, that is a fact. Yes, we're lovers, that is that. Nothing would keep us together. We could beat them forever and ever. Then we could be heroes just for one day. What you say? I wish you could swim like the dolphin, like dolphins can swim. Though nothing will keep us together, we could beat them forever and ever. Then we could be heroes just for one day. What you say? No, we could be heroes just for one day. We could be heroes just for one day. We could be heroes just for one day. And no one will help us. Maybe we're lying, then you better not stay. I think you should go. It's better that way. What you say? Oh, we could be heroes just for one day. We could be heroes just for one day. We could be heroes just for one day. Just for one day. Well, everyone, thank you for watching. Miigwech biz and Dowie Egg. Miigwech biz and Dowie Egg. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. Even though NANABOOZHOO's not here. I guess he's over there. My name is Emily Aubrey. This is Michael Lyons. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Ho. Ho. enough. Bye.